Friends, now I show you another exercise. This is also ground exercise. Now I show you side crunch exercise. This exercise is important for our latissimus dorsi muscle. So I start from the left side, 20 count, and your both legs fixed 90 or 100-degree angles, and start your exercise. Your head up onto the ground, and now your both hand both side, and now starts the exercise 20 or 30 countings from the left side. Now I start this exercise from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. You can try to do this exercise.